Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily log in to your Epic Games account. So let's get started by opening any browser in your PC. Once you open the browser, in the search bar, simply search for Epic Games, and once you search for it, you want to go ahead and simply tap on the first one that says store.epicgames.com. Go ahead and tap onto it. This is gonna open the official page of Epic Games. So once you land in their official page, simply tap on sign in option right over here. And just like that, you will see tons of options to sign in. You can go ahead and simply choose whatever you have used to sign in before. Go ahead and simply tap onto it. In my case, I'm going to go ahead and tap on Google. Go ahead and choose your Google account if that's what you did before. And once you have done that, simply enter your password. And just like that, you will then be able to log in to your Epic Games account. Well, that is simply how you can log in into your Epic Games account. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.